right, this next lab is a very simple one. Um, in terms of the mechanics, I've sometimes done this one as a demo instead of an actual lab for the students to do themselves. You could do this as a demo. You could also do this as like a teacher leads it, but everybody then works with the data and does the analysis and all that on their own. That's another option for this lab. I even have a video of myself doing this lab that's posted on my YouTube channel, I believe. In any case, you need to flip the switch inside to the people/ball instead of the cart, and then close it. And then you basically put this down on the ground like that. And then I need to turn this around and show you how you would do this. The idea of this lab is that, like, gotta pretend that the thing is right here in front of me. Hopefully I'm in that view. I can't see if I am or not. But anyway, so you would hold a ball, and you'll need to get a set of probably volleyballs from the athletics department. And they have some available for borrowing. But then you're going to have the students hold the ball over the motion detector. One of their group mates will push the button to start the timer, to basically start the collection of data, and then the person has to throw the ball. Now the crazy thing is the motion detector is going to detect your hands as well if they're in the way. So it's a very tricky process of throwing the ball and then moving your hands out of the way and then catching it again and keeping it directly above the motion detector the whole time. So you've got to be really careful with this. The procedure of doing this toss is the hardest part of this entire lab. So you've got to have the ball right over the motion detector, toss it, move your hands out of the way, and then catch it again before it hits the motion detector. The catching part is not so important. The only thing that matters is that you keep it from hitting the motion detector. But tossing it straight up and getting your hands out of the way is the important part. If you then just slap it so it doesn't hit the motion detector, that's fine. You should still have good data anyway. Though there won't be anything for the caught portion of the worksheet that goes with this, but maybe you don't care that much about that. Anyway, the procedure is toss, get your arms out of the way, and then catch again. And make sure it goes straight up and straight down over top of the motion detector. The data will look if you get good data, it'll be a nice parabola, basically. If you don't get good data, you're going to have weird spiky stuff, and they have to just do it all over again. Because it will be detecting the ceiling, or it will be detecting your hands instead of the ball. So anything other than a smooth curve means that there was bad data. All right, so that's basically it for the energy of a tossed ball. Again, that's what the motion detector would look like on the ground, all hooked up to your data logger and everything like normal. Yeah.